Okay, you've had enough. So it's mosquito season here in Canada. We've had black fly season and a little lull, and now we're into mosquitoes. They're not quite as bad as black flies, but black flies were so bad that I wasn't able to do this review at the time. So now we're into mosquito season. This is the device that we're going to be talking about right here. It's called Heat It, and I'll put some information in the description below in terms of how to access it and all the rest. Basically what it is a tiny little thing. It looks like a thumb drive. I've got it attached to my keychain, and it plugs into your phone. I'll show you a little bit about that in a minute. And it operates by applying heat, and you can adjust the amount of heat and sensitivity and all that kind of stuff. But it basically applies heat to the mosquito bite, and this is a proven technique to actually stop the itch. So what have you got there?
I have a new mosquito bite.
And it's pretty itchy.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Okay.
Because I've touched it, yes.
All right, so here's the device. So here's the device. It just goes on your keychain or whatever is convenient for you. And you pull this piece out. And it comes in different versions. USB-C, which is what this one is. There's also an iPhone version. And you pop it in your phone like that. The app automatically comes up. And I've got it set to medium and adult and non-sensitive, so that's fine.
That sounds average.
Yeah. But you can put it higher if you're really itchy, or you find that after a couple of things it hasn't been as effective as you want. And you push start, and it heats up. And when it's like that, you press it on the spot. And how does it feel?
I can feel the heat, and that's about it. It's not uncomfortable at all. No.
Right. So what we'll do is it itchy right now?
No. Actually, the sensation of pushing on it with the device and the heat seems to have really stopped the itch.
Right away. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll wait an hour, and we'll see how it is.
Sure.
So how is it?
It's amazing. I haven't even noticed it. I haven't unconsciously had to scratch it.
Right.
And now that I'm actually...
Where is it? Point to it.
Right here. Right there.
Oh, yeah.
And now...
So it's still a bite, like you can still see
that it's a bite. And usually, if you kind of run your finger even along it, you'll discover that it's itchy. Nothing. I have no sensation there at all.
So what do you think?
I think everyone needs one of these.
Yeah, so that was my sister saying how well the Heat It device worked for her on a mosquito bite. I've tried it on numerous other people and many, many times on myself for mosquito bites and black fly bites and even deer fly bites, which are, if you haven't experienced a deer fly bite, they are the worst. They take a chunk out of you and then just leave you itchy just for fun. So with deer fly bites, I'd have to say sometimes it takes 2 or more applications, but I don't think that's because the device doesn't particularly work with deer fly bites. And this might apply to bee bites or stings as well. With a deer fly bite, for me at least, the area of inflammation is quite large, and sometimes it's hard to really pinpoint that sort of epicenter of the itch. But I have used it on deer fly bites and it works. So the next question is, how much is this thing and where can you get it? There's links in the description down below. In Canada, Amazon Prime sells it for $98 Canadian, which, yeah, that's pretty steep, but I'll tell you, it's worth it. In the US, there's a website called justheatit.com where they sell it for $40 US with free shipping, but only within the US. And in Europe, there's a heatit.de, as in Deutsch, site in Germany. This is a German device, by the way. And on the heatit.de site, it's 30 euros plus shipping. Now, I should mention that I did receive this unit for free at the Consumer Electronics Show in January 2024. And that was given to me in exchange for a review. And I'll tell you, this is an honest review, and I really appreciate the free device. It's the device that keeps itching away. I love it.